Greetings, YouTube. Silvertop Flyer here. How you folks doing today? I hope y'all are doing well. Well, I finally got up the gumption to go ahead and take this Hubsan h107D Plus apart. Yeah, I know. I shouldn't have done it. I thought about taking a hammer to it, but I'm going to give her another chance, I think. I went inside, and as you can see, this is a very, very sophisticated piece of engineering. Excuse my shadow. You see that little square piece right there? That is a sponge that was on top of the barometer inside. Now that sponge was full of all kinds of sticky gunk and just garbage, and I'm hoping and praying that barometer was, being affected by the garbage that was in that sponge on top of it. Now, if any of y'all got any ideas about taking this thing apart, there's a couple things I got to warn you about. You got 8 or so little bitty tiny screws. And I don't know if you can see them or not, but there's like 4 of these teeny, tiny little, almost like contact lenses that sit on top of the motors and motor mounts, I guess to keep dirt and what have you up out of the motors. They sit right on top of them 4 shock absorbers that sit on top of the motors. Like I said, I got all my little tools laid out here, and it didn't take me long to get it apart and clean it up. I guess maybe an hour or so. But I just wanted to show you that I have decided to try to breathe new life into her. I will try to update tonight. If not tonight, it will be tomorrow, if she flies or not. I'll let y'all know. I really appreciate y'all watching. If you could, go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button. It'd help me out tremendously. I appreciate it, guys. This is Silvertop Flyer, signing out.